IBM, International Business Machines, played a controversial role during World War II through its technology and cooperation with the German government. During that period, IBM's German subsidiary, De Homag, provided technology and support to the Nazi regime. Here are key points about IBM's involvement in the war. Technology for census and identification. IBM, through its Hollerith punched card machines, enabled the German government to efficiently collect, process, and analyze large amounts of data. These machines were used for conducting censuses, identifying the population, and classifying people by ethnicity, including Jews, Roma, and other groups targeted by Nazi persecution. Organizing transportation. IBM's technology helped organize Nazi logistics, including planning and record-keeping for the deportation of people to concentration camps across Europe. The punched cards enabled rapid tracking of train movements, which accelerated the execution of deportations. Business operations. During the war, despite sanctions and bans on trade with enemy nations, IBM continued operations through its German subsidiary, De Homag, adapting to Nazi regulations to continue business in Germany. Control and profit. IBM, through a complex chain of ownership and subsidiaries, maintained a degree of control over its German branch and continued to profit during the war. The company even regained full control over the subsidiary after the war, reaping financial benefits. Controversies and ethical questions. In the decades following the war, IBM's role became the subject of moral and legal scrutiny. Publications and investigative books, such as Edwin Black's IBM and the Holocaust, raised questions about IBM's responsibility and role in these events. IBM's technology, which was highly advanced for its time, was used for unethical purposes within the Nazi administration, casting a lasting ethical and historical shadow. Responses to critics. In an IBM statement on Nazi-era book and lawsuit, IBM responded in February 2001 that IBM and its employees around the world find the atrocities committed by the Nazi regime abhorrent and categorically condemn any actions which aided their unspeakable acts. It has been known for decades that the Nazis used Hollerith equipment and that IBM's German subsidiary during the 1930s, Deutsche Hollerith Maschinen GmbH, De Homag, supplied Hollerith equipment. As with hundreds of foreign-owned companies that did business in Germany at that time, De Homag came under the control of Nazi authorities prior to and during World War II. It is also widely known that Thomas J. Watson Sr. received and subsequently repudiated and returned a medal presented to him by the German government for his role in global economic relations. These well-known facts appear to be the primary underpinning for these recent allegations. IBM does not have much information about this period or the operations of De Homag. Most documents were destroyed or lost during the war. The documents that did exist were placed in the public domain some time ago to assist research and historical scholarship. The records were transferred from the company's New York and German operations to New York University and Hohenheim University in Stuttgart, Germany, two highly respected institutions with the appropriate credentials to be custodians of these records. Independent academic experts at these universities now supervise access to the documents by researchers and historians. The lawsuit was filed against IBM over the weekend, apparently timed to coincide with the publication of the book. The lawsuit appears largely to be based on the claims contained in the book. Based on everything the company has seen to date, there appear to be no new facts or findings that bear on this important issue and period. IBM takes the allegations made by the author and the plaintiffs very seriously and looks forward to and will fully cooperate with appropriate scholarly assessments of the historical record. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more.